thing vacuums underneath places I hadn't vacuumed under since I moved in. Wow. Because this thing is so lightweight and so small, I mean, you don't even have to move. I mean, it's just amazing. At the places that I can vacuum that I've never been able to vacuum before without moving furniture out of the way, and it goes right straight from carpet and you adjust straight to the ceramic. Now, I will have to admit, because it is so powerful, it is hard to vacuum rub. It wants to stop. So that's the one thing that you have to be careful with, because the suction is so strong on it. But here's another thing. Like I said, just the way that it adjusts from hardwood to the carpet. You can tell just the difference in the sound of the motor. It automatically adjusts itself. But because it's so lightweight, I can move it into places. And the minute you take your finger off the trigger, it saves the battery. So I'm able to just pick it up and move it straight over here behind the couch with very little effort, because it is so light and vacuum back here. Where before, I've always had to move my couch all the way out in order to be able to vacuum up under it. This thing is sweet. Of course, you can see I still got 21 minutes. And the minute you stop, you let go of the trigger, it automatically stops. Sorry about that, I got caught on some cords, so I had to stop. But anyway, I wanted to show the difference between, I'm on a rug now, and then it goes over to the hardwood. And you can automatically hear the motor adjust to the hardwood. And you can feel the difference in the suction, of course, because it is not carpet. And then it goes, I can go right straight over to my ceramic. And the coolest thing for any female that vacuums is this thing is so light. It weighs nothing to have this kind of power to it. And I'm totally amazed at what it picks up. We don't have pets, but I thought I had a clean home, but my goodness, at the stuff it's picking up. Okay, so let's do some stairs with this thing. I've taken the long piece off the end and added the little smaller piece that works almost like it's the roller, works just like the one that you do your floors with. But I'm gonna try now to tackle some stairs, which has always been an issue because you have to carry, I had a Shark vacuum cleaner, which was a good vacuum cleaner, but it was just very hard to maneuver, and of course vacuuming stairs was not that easy. But let's see how this thing does on vacuuming stairs. So much easier. See the difference? I mean, just how lightweight it is to do this. No cord. I don't think I'll ever own another vacuum cleaner that has a cord, ever. Because this thing is just so much easier to maneuver without having to fling a cord behind you the whole time. And of course, anybody who's done any kind of vacuuming over the years knows that's changing outlets every room. But I mean, this thing is just amazing on how it works on even the stairs. I will have to say, the more I use it, the more I am thoroughly impressed with it and realize that it was worth every penny that we spent on it. And then I opened it up on Tuesday and I had vacuumed. This is Thursday and I had vacuumed every day since I got it. But now we're going to move to the car and see how that does. Okay, now I'm out here at the car and I've brought it out with a couple of different attachments. I wasn't really sure exactly what I might need as an attachment in the car. I still have the roller on it from where I was doing the stairs. I also brought this brush out, which is like a brush, but also too, if you click this and pull it back, you have like a nozzle, which I would think would be perfect for a car, because if you needed to brush something off the carpet, because you know sometimes stuff sticks in your car. So I don't know, we're going to try that one. And then we have the crevice tool that I would think would be great to go like maybe right here or in between the seats. And then we have this one, which is just a brush. Each one of them have this great little click. I mean, it's real easy to click and it clicks in place when you pull it out. The thing I like about it, and I apologize, it's kind of hard to film and hold the camera and try to operate this thing at the same time. But when you click this and pull it out of your barrel, which is where, of course, your dirt goes, nothing comes out. It has some type of sealing technology that the dust does not come back out of it. So that's really great. But let's see how it does just here in the back. I can just walk right straight out of my house with it, and I don't have to plug in anything. I didn't even need the crevice tool. You know, a lot of times whenever you're trying to vacuum out your car at home, you have to bring your big vacuum cleaner out, and it's just so aggravating and cumbersome. This is not. Right there, I'm going to come up. This is a different kind of tool. Let's change the tool and see. Over to the long, like crevice top tool, and just popped it in. The button's right on top. This is like the coolest toy ever. I'm not really sure how well you can see in here because it's, like I say, today is kind of a overcast, rainy day because we do have that tropical storm that came in off the coast of Florida. Now it's up this way, giving us some rain, but much needed rain. So we're going to try and see how it works in the car. Oh yeah, this is great. I can really see we have an even cleaner vehicle now. You can use this on the seats, between the seats. But I'm going to keep doing this for a little bit and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it. Car works great. And you know, you can just be walking up your stairs, see a little bit of dirt, just get the dirt right up. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I am like loving this thing. I think I'm actually going to put the roller on it, or maybe the brush, and see what I can do to this corner right here. I'm liable to just vacuum the whole outside of the house with this thing. Maybe I should have bought this thing a lot sooner. Let's see how it does right here. I'm just using the brush, just a regular brush on the bottom. Of course, now this is my garage, mind you. Absolutely, this thing vacuums up anything. Okay, well, seems like I've used a lot of the attachments now, and of course you can see that the hopper is full. So I'm going to go empty that, which is very easy to empty. I will actually show you emptying that, if I can hold the camera and do that at the same time. That's not the easiest thing to do, so not hold a camera and film at the same time while you're holding it. But I did take the end off of it, and it has, let me see if I can show you how it looks at the end. Like I say, when you take your attachments off the end, it does not have dirt that falls out of it. Not sure how they do that, but that's very great the way that works. But there is a little lever here, and of course I am out in my garage. I had just vacuumed out I vacuumed part of the house, and then I did some of just some random stuff here in the garage. So it's probably a little dirtier than what it would normally be, but it has a little red lever, and I'm not sure if I can push that while I might can do it with this trash can. Let me see if I can do that. You just open it up and every last single thing comes right out. Very easy. Just push the lever down, and then in order to close it, just pull it right back up and it closes. Great. On a scale of 1 to 10 for this is the Dyson, I think it's the V11. Of course, my husband can add that in the screen here as to which one this is. Cordless. Hands down, one of the best purchases I've ever made. I would buy it again tomorrow. I would recommend anybody that is tired of dealing with heavy vacuum cleaners and cords, that this thing right here will solve all of your problems when it comes to that. And like I say, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this thing a 100. This thing is amazing. Absolutely loving it. Hope this helps with my review of this Dyson product. Thank you.